Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Steve with German Shepherd Weekly. I am starting to cook for my dogs. And just like you, if you're stumbling on this video, you might be thinking, it's too much work, it's gonna be too much money, I'm gonna have to look for sales at the grocery store, I'm gonna have to get in my car and spend time that I don't really have, I'm gonna have to spend time cooking that I don't have, I'm gonna have to buy Tupperware containers to store this food. I don't have the time for that. Neither do I. I have 2 German Shepherds and 1 Rhodesian Ridgeback. So, you know, decent sized dogs. I tried the raw diet. I used We Feed Raw. I'm not made of money. It was costing me close to $900 a month to feed 2 German Shepherds and a Rhodesian Ridgeback. He's like 55, 60 pounds. And then really quickly, my checking account was like, red alert, red alert. I emailed him like, you guys are totally awesome. I cannot afford this anymore. I got to stop like right now. I have to stop right now. Because I'll tell you what, like they were shipping every 2 weeks. And every 2 weeks it was like $450, $400, $400, $350, $400. I was looking into making my own food for the dogs, which it sounds crazy, I understand that. But you know what? A lot of people did it through the years, and it's so good for the dogs. I am starting to do that, and we're going to do it today. I'm going to start it. This is my first day. I went out to the store, and I bought stuff. I watched videos and everything. But you don't have to do this. You can get a slow cooker. This is going to be key. I got an Instapot. I've seen people use them. Not only am I going to use this to make the dogs food every week, but I'm going to use it to make food for us. There are hundreds of awesome recipes. If you love comfort food like stews and soups, especially in the wintertime, this has you covered. You can make pasta. You can make yogurt in this thing, which is weird to me, but you can. You can make anything in this thing. Now, a slow cooker, I'm not a fan of leaving them on when I go to work and whatever, but this guy, 20 to 25 minutes, done. Throw everything in, you set it, pressure cooker, 25 minutes, you're done. 2 cups of food per meal. The other guy, 1.5 cups. So they're gonna get chicken with brown rice, a little bit of apple, a little bit of banana. You're gonna put all that in. You're gonna have greens. I got a bag of spinach. Gonna throw a handful of that in. You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? I got ground beef, $18. More chicken breasts, $7.69. The apples, okay. These apples, a bag of apples, 2 bags was $5.98. Let's say $6. So a bag of apples was $3, really? And you're gonna get kibble? I did get white rice. It's long grain, but I'm not gonna feed them white rice all the time. But this was $6 for 5 pounds of rice. And these brown rice bags, these are 2 pounds. This is $1.50 for a 2-pound bag of brown rice. Are you kidding me? Baby carrots. I got 4 bags of baby carrots. I was wrong. Well, they were $1.29. The bags are about this size. You've seen them, $1.29. So 4 bags of carrots was $5. A bag of spinach, this big. It's in the fridge. A bag of spinach was $2.98. No, I'm sorry. $1.49. 2 bags was $2.98. A bag of spinach this big was $1.50. Are you kidding me? So I spent like $75. And I got 2 of these chicken packages, 5 pounds. I got the big ground beef package, the same size. $75, kids. So times 4 weeks, this might last a week and a half. I don't know. And the potatoes, let's say it was $100. That's $400 a month. I just saved $600 a month.